Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing this intro a little bit differently today just because I saw that there was better lighting over here, so I was
like, whatever, let's just do it.
But anyways, today, yes, I did a brand new look. I have never played around with yellow shadows before, but it came from a huge inspiration from It's Likely Makeup. She is my favorite MUA on YouTube, and I will say that hands down. She creates the most unique looks, and she's so talented. So definitely check her out. I'm just getting started, so I hope that you guys like this look that I tried to recreate, and I feel like it came out pretty well. So sit back, enjoy, and I hope you guys learned something today. My face is already primed, prepped, and ready to go using moisturizer, my serum, as well as a primer. And we're going to go ahead and start with our foundation by using the BH Liquid Foundation and the Total Control Drops by NYX. And I am going for a more fair complexion today, so I will be using more of the Total Control Drops than usual. Next, I am picking up my Tarte Shape Tape and concealing in the places where it will go to be highlighted. And then, of course, going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream in Whiteout. And then picking up my BH Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette. I'm going in for this color right here to use on my cheekbone contour. And I am just going straight into the palette with my Kat Von D number 5 brush. I highly recommend this palette for any beginners. One, because of the shade range. It is also extremely blendable, it's extremely buildable, as well as super inexpensive. So if you are just starting out, I feel like this is the best palette for you to pick up. This is BH Cosmetics, and this is also the foundation I was using, so go ahead and pick up some of that as well on your way because it's a $9 foundation, and honestly, you can't go wrong. And then I'm going right back into the palette with my Kat Von D number 40 brush, and I am going to work on my nose contour. And then going back into the Kat Von D, or using the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer, I am going to just conceal my nose a bit more, just to give a little bit more of a contour on my nose. And now it's time for setting powder. RCMA setting powder all over your face. Picking up my Kat Von D number 20 brush, I'm just going to go all over my face and kind of blend that setting powder in. And now it's time for the eyebrows. I am using today the Dip Brow Pomade in shade Ebony by Anastasia Beverly Hills. NYX Total Control Gel. And now we go on to the eyes. Going in first with my Sugar Pill yellow shade, I am going to blend this all over the eye. And now that we have an all-over base, I am going to take my Melt Cosmetics Neon shade and go ahead and plop that on the eye as well. And now using the shade Ganja from the Haze Melt Cosmetics stack, I am going to go ahead and put this on the inner corner of my eye. Actually, no, we're going to put it all over the lid. And coming in a bit closer so you guys can see that. It's such a beautiful shade. And now we're just going to go on the waterline and kind of smoke that yellow shade out there as well. And now picking up my Stila All Day Waterproof Eyeliner, I am going to go ahead and attempt to do a cat eye. And I hope to God that this does not ruin the entire look. Now applying mascara with our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And grabbing our Duo Eyelash Glue that you can pick up from any CVS or Ulta or Sephora. Actually, I don't know about Sephora, probably not, but Ulta, yeah. We are going to pick up our Rogue & Rogue lashes, and these are Electra. Picking up our Opera highlighter in Glazed Donut, going in with a fluffy highlighter brush. Then using the Opera Pro palette, we are going to paint our cheeks with this pretty pink right here. And then wiping away all of our excess powder. And then we are going to line our lips with Melt Cosmetics Boxy Lip Liner. And we're using the lipstick Melt Cosmetics in shade Laced. And now guys, I feel like the eye is missing just a little bit of glitter on the bottom of our liner, so I'm just going to go ahead and pluck this just into the front inner corner. Actually no, I'm going to take it all on the bottom of the waterline. We're amping up the glitter. And then just going into the Opera highlighter that we used, I'm just going to put some in the inner corner real fast. And dabbing some freckles on here, I'm going into a Pomade Blonde. And this is the completed look.